Surah Al-Mulk, the Kingdom. This surah is Meccan, containing 2 sections and 30 verses.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the infinitely gracious, the most merciful.
تبارك الذي بيده الملك وهو على كل شيء قدير.
The possessor of infinite blessings is He in whose control is the kingdom, and He has power over everything.
الذي خلق الموت والحياة ليبلوكم أيكم أحسن عملا وهو العزيز الغفور.
He who created death and life to test you as to which of you is better in virtue, and He is the most exalted, the most forgiving.
الذي خلق 7 سماوات طباقا ما ترى في خلق الرحمن من تفاوت فارجع البصر هل ترى من فطور.
He who created 7 heavens one above the other. You will not see any flaw in the creation of the infinitely gracious. So, look again. Do you see a rift?
ثم ارجع البصر كرتين ينقلب إليك البصر خاسئا وهو حسير.
Then look once again. Your sight will return to you unsuccessful, weary.
ولقد زينا السماء الدنيا بمصابيح وجعلناها رجوما للشياطين وأعتدنا لهم عذاب السعير.
And we have indeed adorned the sky of the earth with lamps, and we have made them a means of driving away the devils, and we have prepared the punishment of the blazing fire for them.
وَلِلَّذِينَ كَفَرُوا بِرَبِّهِمْ عَذَابُ جَهَنَّمَ وَبِئْسَ الْمَصِيرُ.
And for those who disbelieve in their Lord, there is punishment of hell. What an evil abode it is.
إذا ألقوا فيها سمعوا لها شهيقا وهي تفور.
When they will be cast therein, they will hear its bellow, and it will be seething.
تكاد تميز من الغيظ كلما ألقي فيها فوج سألهم خزنتها ألم يأتكم نذير.
It seems it will explode with rage. Whenever a group will be cast therein, its keepers will ask them, "Did a warner not come to you?"
قالوا بلى قد جاءنا نذير فكذبنا وقلنا ما نزل الله من شيء إن أنتم إلا في ضلال كبير.
They will say, "Of course, indeed a warner came to us, but we belied him and said Allah did not send down anything. You are in extreme misguidance."
وقالوا لو كنا نسمع أو نعقل ما كنا في أصحاب السعير.
They will say, "Had we listened and understood, we would not have been among the people of the fire."
فاعترفوا بذنبهم فسحقا لأصحاب السعير.
So they confess their sin. Deprivation from Allah's mercy is for the people of the fire.
إن الذين يخشون ربهم بالغيب لهم مغفرة وأجر كبير.
Those who are in awe of their Lord without seeing Him will have forgiveness and great reward.
وأسروا قولكم أو اجهروا به إنه عليم بذات الصدور.
Whether you speak quietly or loudly, certainly He knows well the concealed matters of the heart.
ألا يعلم من خلق وهو اللطيف الخبير.
Does He who created not know, whilst He is the knower of every detail, the most aware?
هو الذي جعل لكم الأرض ذلولا فامشوا في مناكبها وكلوا من رزقه وإليه النشور.
It is He who made the earth yielding for you, so walk in its paths and eat from His provisions, and to Him alone is the resurrection.
أأمنتم من في السماء أن يخسف بكم الأرض فإذا هي تمور.
Have you become unafraid of the one whose kingdom is in the sky, that He will not cause you to sink into the earth, so it will suddenly quake?
أم أمنتم من في السماء أن يرسل عليكم حاصبا فستعلمون كيف نذير.
Or have you become unafraid of the one whose kingdom is in the sky, that He will not send a storm of stones upon you? So soon you will come to know how grave my warning was.
ولقد كذب الذين من قبلهم فكيف كان نكير.
And indeed those before them denied, so how was my denial?
أولم يروا إلى الطير فوقهم صافات ويقبضن ما يمسكهن إلا الرحمن إنه بكل شيء بصير.
Did they not see birds above them spreading and folding in their wings? None keeps them aloft except the infinitely gracious. Indeed, He sees everything.
أمن هذا الذي هو جند لكم ينصركم من دون الرحمن إن الكافرون إلا في غرور.
Oh, which army of yours will help you against Allah? The disbelievers are only in deception.
أمن هذا الذي يرزقكم إن أمسك رزقه بل لجوا في عتو ونفور.
Or who is the one to give you sustenance if He stops His sustenance? Rather, they have become staunch in rebellion and hatred.
أفمن يمشي مكبا على وجهه أهدى أمن يمشي سويا على صراط مستقيم.
So is he who walks upon his face inverted more guided, or he who walks straight upon the straight path?
قل هو الذي أنشأكم وجعل لكم السمع والأبصار والأفئدة قليلا ما تشكرون.
Say, it is He who created you and made ears and eyes and hearts for you. You express very little gratitude.
قل هو الذي ذرأكم في الأرض وإليه تحشرون.
Say, it is He who spread you out in the earth, and to Him alone you will be gathered.
ويقولون متى هذا الوعد إن كنتم صادقين.
And they say, when will this promise come to pass if you are truthful?
قل إنما العلم عند الله وإنما أنا نذير مبين.
say, this knowledge is with Allah alone and I am but a clear warner.
فلما رأوه زلفة سيئت وجوه الذين كفروا وقيل هذا الذي كنتم به تدعون.
So when they will see it close, the faces of those who disbelieve will become disfigured, and it will be said, this is that, i.e. punishment, which you would seek.
قل أرأيتم إن أهلكني الله ومن معي أو رحمنا فمن يجير الكافرين من عذاب أليم.
Say, consider, if Allah destroys me and those who are with me, or bestows mercy on us, so who will save the disbelievers from painful punishment?
قل هو الرحمن آمنا به وعليه توكلنا فستعلمون من هو في ضلال مبين.
Say, He is the infinitely gracious. We believe in Him, and we place our trust in Him. So soon you will come to know who is in clear misguidance.
قل أرأيتم إن أصبح ماؤكم غورا فمن يأتيكم بماء معين.
Say, consider, if your water sinks into the ground by morning, then who will bring you water flowing before your eyes?